Morning, Daddy! Eto na si Ven, school time! Daddy, baka masaktan yung panit, ha? Hi, Ben! Say hi, Daddy! O, give na sa ate yung comb. Aka na yung comb, ilalagay sa bag. Ate, o, ate, o. Ate, pinali ko tanggal yung seatbelt. Hi, Daddy! Good morning! Where's your ID? Asan yung ID mo? Suot na yung school time, school time. School time, school time, school time. Yes. Ready? Yan pula, yan pula. Wow.
Nice.
School time is... Wala na yung laman yung dede niya. Tinanggal mo.
Wala na.
Tinanggal mo. Yung ilong niya, may puti pa, oh. May puti pa, oh. Puti pang konti.
Wala na. Wala na. Oo. Oo.
May konting dumi yung nose mo, eh. Oo,
Wala
sige na, sige
naman.
na, sige na.
Dumi.
Ate, hawakan mo, baka tumakbo ka. Kami sa school, Daddy. Wait, ate.
Labas na tayo. Babe.
Wait, ate. Benis, Benis, tingin daw. Ayun no, may puti sa ilong mo. Teka, one lang. Okay, wait lang, wait lang. Tingnan ko. Tingnan ko lang yung nose mo. Ganyan ka, ganyan. Ayun, may konting dumi, oh. Yun ni Mami. Kasi nakakaya sa school, eh. Let me see. Oh, you walk lang. Carry your bag. Di ba sabi ni teacher, you carry your own bag? Ate, hindi ko yan kinakarga. Kahapon, carry na yung bag niya. Oh, ate. Anak, no. Ala, here, oh. Here's your bag, oh. Alright. And then, yan. School time is school time. School time. School ka? School time. Uy, little girl. Hi. Hey, walk na, walk. Wait. Where's your classroom? Benny's, where's your classroom? Where's your classroom? Not there. Don't. Right side. Okay, go there. Where's your classroom? Hayaan mo siya, ate. Hayaan mo lang siya, ate. Hayaan mo siya mag-isa. Venice, where's your classroom? Di, walang panali yung buhok mo.
Sa akin? No, wala. Tanggal doon.
Ben. Oh, where's your classroom? This is your classroom. Oh, later pa. Later pa. Oh, bye-bye ka na kay Dad. Bye, Dad. Bye, Daddy.
You're a big boy.
Hi, Denise. Hi po.
Ito ka pwede gusod para galuan namin. Pasok-pasok.
Tinanggal mo na yung milk doon, te. Tinanggal mo na yung milk. Andyan na yung milk niya. Yung bote ba? Yung biberon. Tanggalin mo kayo, wala nang laman.
Ay,
Wala pa.
wala pa po. Sunod na si... Excuse lang.
Excuse me. Excuse me, teacher. Ah, later pa, anak. Later pa.